of values and a deep-rooted rich history, boasting of a rich and royal past replete with Maharajas, courts, kings, queens. These opulent palaces in India offer a mesmerizing peek into the bygone era. Some of these heritage homes and splendid palaces in India have been converted into luxury stays for you to get a taste of royalty. Now children, let's have a look on our first palace, that is City Palace Udaipur. One of the best architectural marvels in the state of Rajasthan, the palace in Udaipur is located on the banks of Lake Pichula. The Grand White City Palace is a heritage building almost like a fairy tale, and it showcases the best elements of Rajput culture and arts. Now let's have a look on some other pictures of this beautiful palace. These are some pictures of this palace. Isn't it beautiful, children? Now let's move on to our next palace, that is Falaknuma Palace, Hyderabad. Taj Falaknuma Palace is perched around 2000 meters above the city of Hyderabad. Once the royal residence of Nizam, probably the richest man in the world, this palace in India has now been converted into a five-star luxury heritage hotel. One of the highlights of the palace is the state reception room where the ceiling is decorated with frescoes. The ballroom contains a 2-ton manually operated organ said to be the only one of its kind in the world. Now let's have a look to our another palace, that is Umaid Bhavan Palace, Jodhpur. Built in 1943, Umaid Bhavan Palace in Jodhpur is a wonderful amalgamation of a fascinating past and a luxurious present. It is at the same time a heritage hotel, a museum and the residence of the royal family of present owner Raja Gaj Singh. In addition to being of a historical landmark, the palace was commissioned in 1929, was built in order to provide employment to the drought and grief-stricken farmers of the area and thus took longer to complete. Umaid Bhavan Palace offers amazing encounters ranging from heritage walks to unforgettable dining experiences. The award-winning hotel is well known and loved for its hospitality and a feel of the luxurious living. It was recently in the news for being the site of the Bollywood superstar Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas, a renowned pop star from the band One Direction. Let's move on to our next palace, that is Shaniwar Wada, Pune. Standing tall in its full glory, Shaniwar Wada was once a stately mansion built as a dwelling for Peshwas. Its foundation was laid by Baji Rao in the year 1730 AD. Today, the palace in India gives visitor the chance to peek into its great past. Children, you can see the picture on your screen. Now let us talk about our next palace, that is Ujjanta Palace, Agartala. Built in 1901, it has magnificent tiled floors, curved wooden ceilings and lovely doors. The name Ujjanta Palace was given by Rabindranath Tagore, a regular visitor of Tripura. The state has owns a lineage of an independent royal state. This palace in India includes the public halls, throne room, Darbar hall, library, the Chinese room and the reception.